What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this Shark vacuum right here. You know, they sell a Shark vacuum at Costco and it costs the same amount as this vacuum, and it doesn't do half of what this vacuum does, okay? And when I mean half, you guys. This is a self-cleaning vacuum. I am going to go ahead, flip y'all around. This was a Christmas present for my wife. Actually, Merry Christmas, you guys. So today is Christmas. This is a Christmas special because I have to show y'all this. I cannot believe it for myself. This thing works. It works. And it costs less than half of the crap that's in Costco. Half of the crap that's in Sam's Club. Go to Amazon and get this, and I'm gonna show you why. All right, you guys, let's get into it. And there you go, right there. That is the packaging. That's what it looks like on the inside, just in case people want to know what it looks like on the inside. And that's about it. That's all the box is gonna really show you. All right, you guys, so the only thing I could say is there's only one con. There's no place to put this attachment but right here. So it may be a con for you. For me, I don't really care. The only thing it covers is the Shark part. All right, and let me go ahead and move this out the way. And there you go. You have the power button right there. It's already on the charger base. This whole thing is a charger base. All right, one last thing, you have an attachment right here. So there goes your other attachment. That's, you know, the little skinny attachment you get in the corners. All right, so that's it with that, guys. So this thing comes with like a whole bunch of filters. Okay, so you have a filter down here. You open this. Oops. You open this. There goes a filter there. All right. You come over here. You have another filter in this system over here. Pop that open. Another filter system. And then, you know, you got the regular filter that goes inside of the catcher right there. So you see that. And that's about it. Let me go ahead and start this bad boy up for y'all so y'all can just see the action. I know y'all want to see how this thing works. I am going to go ahead. I'm going to vacuum the whole floor, but y'all know I do my cuts. So I'm going to do the cut scenes for y'all. But y'all can see the vacuum real quick and listen to it. All right, press it. All right, you guys, so I vacuumed most of the basement. So unfortunately, my basement floor is pretty daggone clean. If this was upstairs, then we'll have another story because, you know, that's mainly the spots that's being used. But we got enough dirt back here so y'all can see the action. And make sure it fits, clamps, set it down, and that is so sick, you guys. That is so sick. I love it. I love it. I love it. So anytime, you know, you might have a little bit of dirt right there, but it will come down eventually. The more you vacuum, the more dirt will come in and the more it will push out. Right, and right here you have a mute mode. There y'all go. Y'all can read it, pause it. Last but not least, you need to take the system out. Well, the collector out. There you go. This is the collector right here. And if you don't know what to do, you see where it says trash at? I'm going to do it real quick. All right. One-handed bandit, you guys. Press the button and that's it. Dust right there, and then put your dust all in one. All right, you guys. So we are going to go ahead and put it back. All right, you guys, and that is it. This vacuum is probably the coolest vacuum that we have in the house, you guys. I'm just going to be honest. Y'all know we have the robot vacuum, the heart stick vacuum. We gifted that out to somebody. We still have our Ryobi stick vacuum, which is upstairs and is just old, you guys. It's starting to fall apart. I fixed it one time, blah, 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 blah. But anyways, I bought this vacuum for $250. You guys, there's vacuums at Costco for like $700. It starts with a D, Dicon, die something. 700. I guarantee you, it don't do that. It don't do the self cleaning. This thing is awesome. It's awesome for me for 200. Y'all know the new Ryobi vac is like $300, $200 to $300, and it just regular. It's regular. You guys, with this is it, 250. We have another self-cleaning vacuum coming to the channel, so stay tuned to that. That might be a New Year's Eve special or a New Year's special. It'll be one of those. So definitely next week we have another vacuum, something like this, different brand, coming to the channel. Anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.